Je komt in zo'n grote hangar terecht, waar vliegtuigen worden gerepareerd. Je
means you, pronounced
je,
similar to the ye in yes, but with a slightly softer h sound. It's the informal singular form of
you.
in Dutch.
Komt,
Means comes, pronounced
komt.
with the
O,
sound similar to the o in come, but slightly shorter. It's the third person singular present tense form of the verb
komen.
to come.
In,
Means in or into, pronounced
in.
like the English word in, a simple preposition indicating location.
Zo'n,
Means such a or this kind of, pronounced
zon.
with a drawn out
O,
sound. The
z.
sounds like a soft s, and the n is nasal. It combines
Zo,
so and
in.
an.
Grote,
Means big or large, pronounced
grote.
with the
O,
sounding like the o in go and the e as a short e. It's the adjective
groot.
big in its definite form, modifying.
Hangar, hangar.
Means hangar, pronounced
Hangar,
similar to the English pronunciation. A noun referring to a large building for storing aircraft.
terecht.
Means up or in the end. In this context, pronounced
Terecht.
the
Het
is lightly pronounced and the
ch.
sound is a guttural sound. It suggests arriving at a specific place.
Waar,
Means where, pronounced
var.
with a drawn out
A,
a relative pronoun that introduces a subordinate clause.
vliegtuigen.
Means airplanes or aircraft, pronounced
Vliegtuigen.
with the
G,
is a voiced sound, like in the English go, and the ch is a guttural sound. It's the plural form of
vliegtuig.
airplane.
Worden,
Means are or being passive voice, pronounced
worden.
similar to English worden, but with a shorter o. It's the present tense of the passive auxiliary verb.
Worden, gerepareerd.
Means repaired, pronounced
Gerepareerd.
the
Sounds
a guttural. It's the past participle of the verb
repareren.
to repair, putting it together.
Je komt in zo'n grote hangar terecht, waar vliegtuigen worden gerepareerd.
Means you end up in such a big hangar where airplanes are being repaired. Or, you arrive in a large hangar where airplanes are being repaired. It describes the arrival at a location and what is happening there.